ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕೋಟಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರಾ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಂದ TULIP ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ. ವಿಮಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕೋಟಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರಾ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ TULIP ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಕೋಟಕ್ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರಾ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾದ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ರವರು ULIP ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂನ 100 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜೀವರಕ್ಷಕವನ್ನ ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ಖಾತ್ರಿಪಡಿಸುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ನಂತೆಯೇ ಆದಾಯವನ್ನ ಗಳಿಸಲು ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. 0 ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 7996827256.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ನನಗೆ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೋಟಕ್ ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನೀಡುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡರ ಲಾಭ.
Till 60 years of age, so this product is not available for juveniles. Okay, the product can be taken by people who have an insurable interest, because when you are taking a life insurance policy, there is a concept of a human life value, which means if I am a individual who is taking a policy, it should take care of my family's need when I am not there. So it is designed for people who have a human life value, human life economic value. Human life value can be of two types. Emotional value is for all of us. By name, ma'am, is for people who continue the policy right up to the maturity of the policy, and that is why the last 3 years, 30% of the value of the last 3 years, is added. It is only paid for people who continue the policy right up to the maturity. There are 3 parts to the withdrawal policy. One is when the policy comes to a natural end. The policy concludes. The customer can take a defined policy for 30 years or any time between 30 and 40 years, because you would appreciate that this covers a person's life. So if you are taking a life insurance policy, it has to cover my key part of my life. So the policy on its normal course will run either between 30 or 40 years, depending on what the customer or the policyholder wants. However, the customer has 2 other features which is available.
From Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, and today we are very pleased to launch a unique and a very innovative life insurance product called Tulip. It takes care of a person's life needs, which is in case something happens to the family, to the person, the family is taken care of in a significant manner. At the same time, the customer also has the benefit of long-term, unit-linked and market-linked investment opportunity which it provides. And in an era where people are looking at investments in a very different manner, and people are preferring to look at investments rather than savings, this is a product which we expect to do very well in the market. Ensures that whatever is the sum assured which the person is taking, in case something unfortunately the person passes away, the customer's family is given the sum assured guaranteed. The policy also provides the customer an opportunity to take critical illness cover and an accidental death cover, which covers the person in case of an accidental death, or in case the person is detected with one of the 36 serious critical illnesses which are there. Along with that, the policy gives a person a chance to invest in market-linked funds, and market-linked funds have shown a very good return over a long period of time. Obviously, market-linked funds come with their own set of risk, but because this is a long-term policy with an investment time horizon of anywhere between 30 to 40 years, depending on what the customer wants,
Hello, I am Hemant Kanawala. We are pleased to introduce a new offering from Kotak Life, which is Tulip. This product caters to one important need of the customer, which combines the protection and the long-term investment plan. So this is the ULIP where you can get, higher cover for your life. So in this, we are offering for the investment perspective, we have 3 equity offerings, which is frontline, opportunities and mid-cap, catering to different risk appetites of the investor. We have one balance offering, which is invest both in equity and debt. And then we have 4 fixed income offerings. So investor, depending on his risk appetite, can choose the right mix, and it can also change it over the life of the policy. So at a lower age, if he has a high risk appetite, he can choose equity, and as he goes towards retirement, if he wants to move to a safer option, he can change that also. So that is the what we are doing.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ News 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.